Yes, so welcome back, guys. It's time to make our local delicacy. Oh my god. So if you are from Enugu, Nsukka precisely, you know what this food is. Let me, to be honest, it's not every Igbo that, it's not even every Enugu that knows this food, to be honest. So those that mostly cook this food is Nsukka in Enugu State. So I would recommend this food, this kind of, if you can try and cook this type of food, that is, the food is very, very good. It's giving. So it's very simple, just normal ingredients that we all use for food, for different different way of cooking. That's the only thing that when it comes to trying different kind of food, everybody use corn, everybody use beans, everybody use green leaf. That's what we are using in cooking this food. So there's nothing different. The ingredients is not different. It's just a different way of cooking. So you can see I've already cooked my corn day before yesterday. I cooked my corn in the night. Then the following day, I blended it on my blender. When blending it, you don't need to add water. You blend it dry, just like, let it be like chaff, for it to be smooth. Yes. Then you can use any beans. You can use pigeon beans. Pecan beans is very, very scarce here, so there's no way that I will see pecan beans here, so I'll be using beans, ordinary white beans. You can even use brown beans, anyone you want. So why I wash my beans 2 times, so that why I wash my bean, I cook my bean, I boil my beans and I remove the soup. The soup is to avoid running stomach. Beans, there's a way that you cook your beans. Now after eating, now you'll be going to toilet often. So I first cook my beans, then remove the water, then put it back inside the pot before I added my corn. Yes, I added my corn chaff. Yes, and before you add your corn chaff, make sure the water on the beans is not much, just little water. It's only the heat that we're touching the corn, not the water. So the water the water in the beans will only be at the surface. It will not be high. It will not come out from the surface on the beans. Just a little water. But you have to be opening your pot and be changing and be adding more water, little water, to avoid your pot burning, to avoid your food burning, because the water will not be that much. So after that, I'll grab my green. I'll be using garden egg leaf and green leaf. We all know these 2 types of leaf. We use this for some different kind of food like rice. Garden egg, we can use this for any other thing. So I'm going to go ahead and slice the both leaf. This is the best leaf that I recommend for this kind of food. So here the food is done. I cook it for like 1 hour. You can see how the beans is now soft when you press it. And my corn, you have to chew your corn. The corn need to, as in, when you taste it, it will look as if it's well cooked. So when it is like that, then you know that your food is done. Then I'll go back to my leaf. I'll go ahead and slice my leaf. This 2 leaf is the best, or you can try bitter leaf. Slice my green and make sure to wash it thoroughly, because this kind of green, they used to have a lot of sand. It contains a lot of sand, so I'll make sure to slice it and make sure to wash it and make sure that all the sand in it is gently removed, to avoid when you're eating your food, you'll be see something like you'll be chewing sand. So I've washed it thoroughly. Here you can see they are cleanly washed. I washed it like 2 or 3 times, depends on how it is. So I'll go ahead and blend my pepper. I used bonnet pepper and scotch pepper, and I'll go ahead and slice my onions too. This kind of food, it needs onions. Onions is very, very good on it, so you can add enough onions, plenty onions you can add. So here I'll go ahead and scoop my food out, because you have to scoop it out first before you go ahead and fry your oil, before you add those greens, onions and pepper first. Then you go ahead and add this one again. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for the second cook now. Yes. First thing, I'm going to dry my pot, then go in with my red oil, go in with my onion, fry my onions for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll go in with my pepper. The blended pepper, stir it and cover it. Then I'll add my oil bean. I've added my oil on my oil bean here, but I couldn't capture it, so I use oil bean, and I hope you all know what oil bean is. Then I'll first go in with your garden egg leaf. When you go in with your garden egg leaf, you cover it and cook it for like 5 minutes. When you cook it for like 5 minutes, you open it and go in with your green leaf too, because green leaf don't use to, you don't use to waste time before it get done. Very, very 1 minute or 30 or about half a minute, everything is okay. So I'll cover it and let it cook for like half a minute, and here it is ready. Here you check your salt and this thing season. If all is okay with the soup, you go in with your corn, chaff and beans. Yes, at this point your food is almost done. So when you transfer it, you keep on try to turn it, I mean try to mix everything together, the soup and the corn and the beans. Try to mix it together to, you know, to blend well. So in our next video, sorry that I've not posted the video like I promised. I told you guys that in my next video that I will show you guys how to see the subscribers on your channel. I don't know, but now if I click on, I have now on my channel is showing me 6 subscribers, and if you click on that place there is that you have numbers of your subscribers on your channel, you'll see those who subscribe to your channel, those that made their channel and the subscribers public. You will see all of them on my channel. I will see all of them on my channel. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to where to see your subscribers on your channel, and again how I got monetized on Facebook, things that I did and how it is going. I'm going to show you. I'm going to explain everything in details. So join me as I eat. Here I'm done, and that is, in fact, like, I'm so happy that I'm enjoying this food because it was very sweet, and it has been a long time that I cooked this kind of food. That is, I love it. So try this food. This food is very, very good, and I'm sure that you will love it when you cook it for yourself and for your family. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you watch from the beginning to the end, and please expect my next video for that, how to see your subscribers on your channel. All right, bye. Thank you.